everyone, I'm Steel Lafferty with MasterCraft. Today I'll be walking you through the XT20. The XT20 is perfect for families boating on size-restricted lakes. If you don't necessarily need a larger boat, but still want best-in-class wave shaping abilities, premium comfort, and the most customization on the market, MasterCraft's XT20 is made for you. The XT20 features SurfStar, the industry's leading surf system thanks to strength, accuracy, and ease of use. From steep and barreling to long and mellow, simply select a preset and the XT20 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. New for 2024, SurfStar includes built-in foiling profiles for both left and right side riders. Like all models in our XT family, the XT20 delivers the most in athletic capabilities behind the boat, whether you're surfing, wakeboarding, or foiling, and drastically reduce your wait time with optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps using MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in a matter of minutes. New for 2024, the XT20 now comes standard with underwater exhaust. MasterCraft's underwater exhaust substantially reduces fumes and noise in and behind the boat, so you can better enjoy good music and great conversations. It's our belief that your on-water experience needs to be elevated both behind the boat and inside the boat. Underwater exhaust creates a more refined experience for those on board. When you're ready to get in and out of the water, your crew can do so with ease thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. The XT20 comes equipped with integrated transom seating. The sliding base is standard and a flip-up backrest can be added to take your lounging to the next level. And with storage trays under the transom rear hatches, you can easily access vests and ropes from either side of the transom. Or you can opt for the new rear storage nets. With seating for up to 12 people, the XT20 cockpit still has plenty of space for your whole crew. Its U-shaped seating area is perfect for entertaining, and the optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Even better, the XT20 still provides extensive under-seat storage. Refreshed styling offers built-in cooler locations and hidden seating to allow for plenty of room below deck. Don't forget, you can keep your family cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to CoolFeel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to shy away from those darker vinyl options that fit best with your custom design. We've got you covered. The XT20 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area. These holders were intentionally placed under the gunnel to keep phones safe and out of direct sunlight. Even better, all 4 of the phone holders can be upgraded with wireless charging. Throughout the XT20, you'll find Klipsch audio, ensuring that you and your crew can enjoy high-quality acoustic entertainment. The XT20 comes standard with our advanced audio package. 4 speakers are spread throughout the boat for an immersive experience. The XT20 can be equipped with 3 different tower options, Z6, Z8, and the Z10. All towers come standard with easy-to-use, redesigned clamping board racks. Combined with our updated Bimini board storage, you're getting the most board storage in the industry. The Z8 and Z10 towers can be customized with colored inlays to show your style and really punctuate your unique design. To elevate your ride, load your tower with up to 4 speakers for the ultimate experience behind the boat. Behind the wheel, the accommodations and added features developed by our engineering staff for the XT20 make more out of your time on the water. The helm comes standard with a 7-inch screen setup, allowing you to fill ballast, select your favorite wave setting, and crank up the music at your fingertips. Upgrade to a dual screen dash with a tower camera to take your helm views to the next level. And the XT20 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger below the dash to keep your phone fully powered. The XT20 is also equipped with telematics, allowing remote access to your boat's health and vitals anywhere in the world, all through MasterCraft's Connect app. The standard telematics box installed in your XT20 shows critical boat data like battery and fuel levels, build status, and engine health, all while keeping your local dealer up to speed with your service needs. And for 2024, telematics gets even better. Digital switching is now integrated into the MasterCraft Connect app, meaning you can remotely control your boat's battery switch. Plus, you can receive notifications for critical alarms and GPS geofencing alerts. The XT20 flaunts MasterCraft's signature pickle fork bow design. An open walkway leads into the bow, and we also offer a filler cushion if playpen seating works better for your family's lifestyle. Lastly, there's plentiful storage throughout the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The XT20 is handcrafted, developed with the highest materials and tested relentlessly. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an unparalleled ride and drive, and undoubtedly the best on-water experience there is. With the XT20, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, graphics, and opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. We also partner with companies who share our beliefs to bring you the best product possible, like Ilmor Marine. Ilmor is world-renowned for hand-building race car engines, and they're the exclusive engine supplier for MasterCraft. These bulletproof engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure that you get the best customer experience out there. And each boat comes standard with MasterCare, the best warranty on the water, featuring a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusion. For those looking for a smaller towboat without making a compromise, the XT20 is the perfect choice. To see why the XT20 is the best 20-foot towboat on the market, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head to mastercraft.com.